everyone, and welcome to Love in the Pot. I'm Sister Shauna, and I'd like to welcome you into my kitchen. I happen to be a chef by trade and have worked in several areas of the field, and thus I'd like to share some of those skills with you all that will hopefully motivate you to put love into your pot. So follow me and let's get cooking. Alright, so our first recipe today is going to be spa water. Okay, so our first recipe today will be spa water. Not that you really need a recipe for this. You can make many variations, and oftentimes these drinks can detoxify you as well. Some of us get tired of drinking plain old water, so this is a way to spruce up your water. I'm not doing anything special today. I'm working with what I have. So I'm actually gonna make one for my husband to take on his way to work. So that's why I'm doing a small one. And it's really just as simple as you see here. I have some mint, which actually came from my garden, and if you grow things at home, you know that you'll have an overabundance of these items and you'll be looking for ways to use them. So I'm just using what's in my fridge. I have a strawberry. He doesn't look his most fresh, but that's okay. We're gonna pull the flavor out in that spa water. I have a cucumber, which is also from our garden, and I have a lemon, and I'm gonna top it with some spring water here. So the goal really is to slice your items thin. So I'm just gonna do some relatively thin slices. The goal is consistency. It doesn't have to be perfect. And now I also am going to cut my lemon. Just gonna get the berry juice off. It stains the board. About 4 slices here. And this is good to do at least 2 hours prior. So we will now, actually, if you want it to be suspended, now remind you I said this is for next day. However, just to show you how to get your items to suspend in the glass, you need to add ice. So we'll do that. Cut a piece of that lemon and get some actual lemon juice in there as well. Just squeezing it in. Or if you have a bottle, you could just put a couple of squirts. Alright. And we will just top it with some water. I may even add some wormwood or milk thistle in here, because that offers a lot of health benefits as well. So don't feel like you can't customize things and make them your own. The longer this sits, the better it'll taste, and it's pretty. So that's all done. Thank you for joining me for our quick tip of the day. Hydrate yourself with some flavored spa water.